Hey, my little angels, come in, come in. I'm so happy to see you. Come in, come in. I'm so glad you're here, and I've made room for everyone. I've brought down all the hammocks, so there's all 4. There's one by the window, one by Bella's tree, one over the heater vent, and one by me. I'm a poet. I didn't even know it. Okay, and each of you, they'll fit 3 of you comfortably, 4 if you're friendly. And I have the rocking chair over there. That's big. That'll fit 2 of you. That's it. Yeah, and the feet come up. Good job, good job. And I have all the meditation cushions for those that like to sprawl. And I have all the hardback chairs put around the table. If you're sitting in those tub chairs, just turn them around. Okay, great. I'm so glad. And we do have some beverages for today. So for the hot beverage today, we're having an assortment of teas. So you can all pick your own. I have a variety of herbal teas. I have some caffeinated teas, some decaf teas, flavored teas, regular teas. We have Scottish breakfast tea, Irish breakfast tea, English breakfast tea. I have my hibiscus tea that I love so much. We have chamomile for those that like chamomile, Earl Grey, Lady Grey. You guys help yourselves. And there's every sweetener and flavoring that you can think of. So I've got all my vegans covered. I've got my diabetics covered. All of you are covered, okay? And same with the lighteners. We have vegan options. We have non-lactose options. We have full options, everything. Help yourselves, guys, yes. And we also have chilled beverages today. So for the chilled beverage today, we're having a cranberry cherry cocktail. So it's cranberry cherry juice, really good, guys. The cherry and the cranberry, the sweet and the tart work so well together. And we're using Jello ice cubes. Isn't that fun? I know, right? And help yourselves to that too. Of course, there is a sugar-free option. Yes, yes. And the Jello is a vegan Jello. Okay, good. So I see we have some new little angels here. Hi. I'm so glad that you came by. Thank you for coming. Thank you for giving our channel a chance. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and why wouldn't you? And you can share it. Sharing is caring after all. And if you're comfortable just silently watching, that's okay. I'm happy to have the company. So please feel free to just silently watch. That's okay. If you're comfortable commenting, please do. We love, 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 love the comments. I love watching you guys interact with each other. I love interacting with you. I like to know what's going on in your mind, in your heart, in your soul, all of it. Any questions, concerned, all of it. I like it all. And the reason I like it so much is that when we interact, we connect. And when we connect, we take this great big world and go and make it smaller. That's a really good thing, guys. It's a really good thing. So today, now 2025 I said was going to be a more mindful spending period. I was going to work on my consumerism and just for myself. Others, that's gift giving is my love language. So, but for myself, yes. But this order was placed before December 31st. So I have a note, okay? But it came today. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to unbox it with you. Also, I did get, I'm trying to show it without moving the mic too much. No, I can't. I did get the new adapter. So now my mic works, which makes me very happy because now I can whisper. Okay, but I have been saving this since Christmas. And when I remember it, I'm not near a camera. And when I have the camera, I don't remember it. My sister-in-law and my brother gave me this for Christmas that I just threw on the floor. Sorry about that. This is a Soma Seville orange slice dipped in dark chocolate. And Soma is a chocolatier. And I'm very, very excited to try this. So, okay, So it's definitely a glacé orange slice and the chocolate. So shall we? That's amazing. I don't know about the orange on its own, but the chocolate really, well, we're gonna try it. I was wrong, the orange on its own is delicious. When you get to the rind, it is quite tart, but the sugar on the glacé orange slice makes it so good. Really like this. I really like this. I just took a picture of it. Okay, let's move. Really good, guys. So, shall we get to our Temu opening? Now, I'll just have to play with the camera. The only problem with this new adapter for the mic, it's heavy. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. The camera's gonna move, but don't worry about that, okay? So it's quite heavy, but it works really well. Hi, there you guys are. Let's straighten you up, okay. So this is 2 orders because I did them a week apart, but one was a pre-order, so it shipped together. And a lot of this is for our channel. So, okay, this is for baby Angel. Her birthday is the end of this month. So this is a nail set, but look at the glitter. So I'm gonna put baby Angel stuff on this side. Now this one, oh, this was a pair of pants I wanted. I like lounge pants, so I'm just gonna put that away. And these are just comfy pants. I order their capris because they fit me as pants. That's just who I am. I'm short. Now this one, okay, so Bella has discovered that she loves our coffee table. She loves to go under it when I put a tablecloth over it or a blanket over it. And we had a Christmas one over it, and Uncle Angel said he liked it, but he would really like it if we had for the different seasons and holidays. So this is for Valentine's, but it's also going to be my Valentine's backdrop, especially when we film our Galentine's exchange. That's right, it's coming. Nope, you get no other information from me. That's all I'm telling you. This one, oh yeah, these are branches that light up. And I just thought it looked so pretty that I would like to have a vase beside me, or a vase, whichever, beside me when I film. And I thought the little lights would be so nice for us. So I'm gonna put that there. This one, yes. These are just some pretty flowers, a little bouquet I want to put in a vase. So vase, I say vase, okay? Vase sound pretentious to me. But I'm not criticizing anyone. But I thought this was really pretty for the spring, so baby Angel loves yellow though too. I'm gonna give it to baby Angel. Okay, now this one, oh, this one is so cool. This is for baby Angel. It's not a birthday gift. I might keep one for myself though. I thought I can keep one. So it's a pack of 6, I believe. And they are balloon dog keychains. But I thought this way she could give them out to people. She could decorate. She's doing this thing where she likes to decorate her lip balms. She pokes a hole in them and then puts a keychain through it. And I thought this would be amazing for that. So there's green and orange and blue and purple. So I thought that was really fun, really fun. So that's over on her side. What is this? I don't know what this is. I remember what I bought, when I bought. Oh, I know what this is. Yes. Okay, do you guys remember? How many people here are my returning little angels? How many remember what HOPE stands for? HOPE. That's right. Hold on, pain ends. So I got myself a t-shirt that says that. You know how much I love my inspirational t-shirts. And this is a fabric book sleeve. This is actually a gift for someone. But I just thought it was so cool. I love that it's fabric. I love that you can put things in it. I use my book sleeve all the time for my Kindle. I keep pens in it. I keep headphones in it in case I have an audio. I just think it's a great thing to have. So this is a gift for someone else. And what's this? This is our blanket that will go on Bella's table for St. Patrick's Day. So we have February, we have March. Which I think is kind of cool. Almost fell off the table there. This one, I can't show this one. I'm so sorry. This is a gift for somebody's birthday that's coming up, so I can't show that one. Okay, this is for baby Angel. She loves, loves, loves yellow. So I got her a phone case. I got to get her birthday stuff ready, and I might do a video on that. And this, oh my gosh, guys, this was just for me. For us. I will use it in a video. But, guys, wait till you see this. I'm just going to cut it. Because you know how much I spray my hair in the mornings if I've got stuff sticking up at the back and it's not a hair wash day. It's a champagne bottle hair mist. Well, it's not a mist. It's not my long-lasting mist, but you better believe I'm going to be using this. It's too cute for words. It's too cute for words. Okay. Okay. What's this one? This is one you guys will see for a Valentine's video, but you can't see it right now. Sorry. I don't know what this is. I can't read it. So let's open it and see. Oh yes, these are for baby Angel as well. They're little embossed cards. She does origami and she just loves paper. She loves stationery. So I'm gonna give her that, but just as a gift, not, you know. And there were 2 of them, so I did get 2. I do know someone who journals though, so I might give that to them. So we'll hold off on that one. I did get 2 of those for the vases and the vases and I'll figure it all out. This one is, I'm not sure. They tape very well. And I do like the unnecessary, there's no unnecessary boxing. Some of them do send too much. FabFitFun, I'm talking to you. Love you, but you send way too much boxes. But it is all recyclable. So. Okay, so there's a straw. So it must be a mug. Who did I buy the mugs for? I did buy mugs for people. This is my birthday season. Like a lot of birthdays are coming up. I know a lot of Aquarians. I know a lot of Aries. Not too many Taurus. I know one. My sister-in-law's a Taurus. And Geminis. I'm a Gemini. One of my besties is a Gemini as well. There we go. Oh, yes, I know this one. Oh, I thought it was plastic. It's glass. I just thought this was the coolest little water bottle. Uncle Angel's gonna have heart failure. He really will, but that's okay. He'll be fine. Okay, that's definitely for baby Angel. I think she's just gonna love this. So that's definite. I'm sweating a bit today. Okay. This one is a bookmark. This is actually for Uncle Angel. He loves dragons. So I did get him a dragon bookmark. Oh, and it says, I am not a bookworm, I am a book dragon. Isn't that cool? I thought he'd really like that. So let's put that there. And this one is an Easter blanket for Bella's table. It's over there. Oh, here's another one for Uncle Angel. Dragon coasters. I love coasters. But he can put that downstairs. But I will put these away for Father's Day. Maybe. Okay. We're almost at the end. Oh, these are too cute. These are too cute for words. So I could make these myself, I know, but okay, so this one's going to be for baby Angel. It's a positive Highland cow. I may be a tiny Highland cow, but I believe in you. Go do your thing. And then this one is a little dog, which is too cute. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Aw, that's so sweet. This is a gift for somebody else. And I'm not going to say who. Because they watch all of my videos. Okay. Last thing. In a box. I wonder what it could be. Well, they're styrofoam, so it must be breakable. I really don't like styrofoam, guys. I know it serves a purpose, but my mom was highly allergic to it. So anytime something came in styrofoam, we would have to open it for her. And sometimes, you know, they break and they go everywhere. There we go. Yes. We have all those balloon animals. We need a cat. Okay, they don't make a balloon cat, so we have to have a cat. So you can also put your rings and things on it, but I just think it's a cool little figurine. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. God, I'm just fetching here. Sometimes I get hot flashes. My hormones are going crazy because I've had too much sugar this month. Way too much sugar. I'm actually trying to go sugar-free soon, so taking it slowly this week, and then I'm going to try to go full blast. We'll see how it goes. My videos might be cranky. We'll see. Anyways, guys, I love you. I value you. I honor you. I pray for you. And I'm so very, very glad that each and every one of you was born.